Have you ever used a swim ring? It floats when it is placed in water. However, not all objects float. Some objects, such as swimming goggles, sink in water. Do you know why? In fact, whether an object floats or sinks in water is determined by its density. What is density? Let us learn about it now. The following blocks have the same volume. However, they have different masses. We say that they have different densities. The density of a substance is its mass per unit volume. For the blocks of the same volume, the greater the mass of the block, the higher its density. Different substances have different densities. If we know the volume and the mass of a substance, we can calculate its density using the following formula. Density equals mass divided by volume. The unit of density is grams per cubic centimeter or kilograms per cubic meter. Let us try to calculate the density of this block. The mass of this block is 35 grams. The volume of this block is 5 centimeters times 5 centimeters times 2 centimeters equals 50 cubic centimeters. So, the density of this block is 35 grams divided by 50 cubic centimeters equals 0.7 grams per cubic centimeter. Let us try to calculate the density of another block. The mass of this block is 392 grams. The volume of this block is 5 centimeters times 5 centimeters times 2 centimeters equals 50 cubic centimeters. So, the density of this block is 392 grams divided by 50 cubic centimeters equals 7.2 grams per cubic centimeter. The volume of objects in regular shapes can be calculated by using mathematical formula, and the mass of them can be measured by electronic balance, and hence their densities can be known. However, the volume of objects in irregular shapes, such as a $2 coin, cannot be calculated in the same way. So, how can we know the densities of these objects? The volume of objects with irregular shapes can be found by the water displacement method using a measuring cylinder. Let us try to calculate the density of a $2 coin. The mass of the coin is 8.5 grams. The volume of the coin is 1 cubic centimeter. So, the density of the coin is 8.5 grams divided by 1 cubic centimeter equals 8.5 grams per cubic centimeter. Let us try to calculate the density of another object in an irregular shape, an eraser. The mass of the eraser is 14.9 grams. The volume of the eraser is 11 cubic centimeters. So, the density of the eraser is 14.9 grams divided by 11 cubic centimeters equals 1.35 grams per cubic centimeter.